Hi everyone, let's explain how we can use freeze in Microsoft Excel. For example, I want the first row be visible always. Just from view, select freeze top row. Now, if you scroll down, you see that first row is always visible. Now let's unfreeze. Okay, this time if I want the first column always be visible, just from view, freeze pane, freeze first column. This time you see first column is always be visible. Let's unfreeze again. If I want to freeze first row and first column together, just select this cell. Directly this row and this column be visible. Just freeze panes. Let's check. You see this row is visible and this column is visible. Again, another example, unfreeze pane. For example, I want make two row visible and one column. Just select this one. This cell, it means this column be visible and this two row be visible. Let's check. You see this two row always visible and the first column is always visible. Again, unfreeze. If I want to make three row visible and two column visible, just select this cell. Then from freeze panes, this time let's check. You see this three row is always visible and this two column is always visible. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.